Henry wants to add fringe around the outside of the rug. About how many feet of edging should he buy to go around the outside edge of the rug? Okay, so if we are looking for the outside edge, that's the circumference. Circumference is the distance around. It would be like the perimeter on a figure that has sides on it. Okay, so anytime that we're dealing with a circle, we're going to use pi, or 3.14. Circumference is the distance around. Remember, if we're looking for the circumference, we're going to use pi times the diameter, C and D. Okay, so we're going around the outside edge of the circle with fringe. Well, if we know the radius, we can find the diameter, can't we? Because the diameter is twice the radius. The radius is half the diameter. So if the radius is 7 and the diameter is twice the radius, then the diameter is going to be 14, because the diameter cuts that circle into 2 equal pieces, from the edge through the center to the other edge. So I can show that diameter on here. So from here all the way to here is going to be 14 feet. It's the diameter. Radius is 7 feet. Okay, so now all we have to do is to plug it into our formula. Circumference is going to equal pi, 3.14, times the diameter, which is 14. Clear the calculator. 3.14 times 14, and we get 43.96. And it doesn't tell us to round anything off, but if we need to buy fringe, okay, we want to be sure we have enough to go all the way around. That is almost 44 feet, isn't it? Because if we rounded this to the nearest whole number, we look to the right. If it's 5 or more, we're going to bump that up to 44 feet. Want to be sure that you have enough to go all the way around.